Alright, quick video for Wookiees Works. My pontoon boat really was no good anymore, so I went to the salvage auction and I bought this one off the salvage auction. And the reason it was at salvage because the shift cables had arced across the battery, and you can see it caught on fire and melted everything, and it was no good. I was told that this was in salvage. The motor was no good. Nothing was any good on this boat. And I got it for, well, I won't say how cheap I got it, but I got it cheap. And I went and cut the cables off of the battery and rigged up a temporary battery here. Just wanted to see. And I know that, well, I know that the power trim is good. I hooked up my water. Put a new fuel line on it. And we're going to find out if this motor really is any good or not. If it does, if it's no good, it's not the end of the world. My other boat that I'm going to be scrapping has a perfectly good motor, has a perfectly good Evinrude 90 on it with a VRO system. It's always been a very good motor. This motor's 8 or 9 years newer than mine. So if it's good, it would be a good motor, and I can sell the other one. That would be great. Recover some more cost. I'm really happy with this trailer. This trailer is so much better than those tandems that fit underneath. They're definitely tippy, which is part of the reason my other pontoon is now being retired, because it has a big hole in it. As an interesting aside, if you followed my 150 story, we bought a control system for it. I don't know if you can see it down there in a box behind the lift. It's down there in a box, just a shift handle. This boat did not have a key. I just thought for the heck of it, I would take the key out of there and see if Mercury was maybe a universal key. Well, turns out it must be, because this key works. So I'll make another one. Let's see what happens. I'd say that's a success. And I have shift cables here from various boat projects. You can see we have no shortage of boats, and I have actually 2 different sets of Mercury shift cables, and I'm sure at least one of them will be the right length for this. I'm going to guess I have a pair of I think 14 or 15 footers, which will probably be perfect. Get the shift cables on, clean this nightmare up. A little bit of painting, rewire the whatever accessories were on this battery. This boat, it's got a live wells, it's got a nice speaker system, the vinyl's in good shape, top's a little, seen a little better days, but some good cleanup, maybe a little bit of carpet here and there, clean the seats. I think I'm quite happy with the way this is going to turn out. It's not only a replacement for the pontoon I have, but I think quite an upgrade to it, to be honest with you. So I'm happy with it. You can get things good on salvage. If you're willing to do a little bit of work, sometimes you get lucky. I think I did with this motor.